Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Mini Cooper 2006 to 2013, the same key. What happened in this car, we need to add a key. We have to add the key. This is the key that we have it. We're using AutoHex. When we went to do it, it said that the cast frame must be downgraded. If the cast frame is upgraded, you will not add a key. So in this car here, we have to downgrade the cast module first. We are using AutoHex. Connect to the OBD2. Be sure your battery charger is good, over 13. So we went first, we downgrade the cast. Now after we downgrade the cast, I believe the next step is to you say open the ignition on. I'm gonna open the ignition on. Keys on, and then I will say okay. The cast is being downgraded soon. You see flash complete, and it's done. Soon it's gonna. You see processing message, the ECU. I believe soon it's a complete, and then I have to go and start programming it. See processing, ignition is turned off by itself, but processing the ECU maybe it takes some time. Don't forget to put your laptop charger, cast frame complete now. We downgrade it. So what I'm gonna do, I will say yes. I will exit this. And then I will go back to key learning. It will give you 4 options. Enable disable key, click yes. That one is different story. I don't want to do that. Program new key using ignition slot. Click 2. Program new key using direct writing. Let's see 2. 2 is not available. This one you cannot do it. So 2 is not okay. Number 1, enable disable. It will give you how many key there. You see the key we are using is key number 2. Okay, if you want to enable, disable it or delete it. So I'm gonna go back. Oh, I come out completely. So 1 and 2 is not usable. 3. Okay, here is asking you to choose the key you want it. So it's reading the data now. We're gonna wait a little bit. Now you need to select the key. I need to get key number 9. Let me see what it's gonna say. Let me see tag. Connect tag is already click OK. Put a blank key into the tag. So I'm gonna take this key out. This is the key that I have to use. I'm gonna put it here in the tag. So I'm gonna click OK. It's supposed to blink. I believe that the software 9C79 key. I'm gonna save it. We're gonna wait a little bit. Let's see what it's gonna say. Key program complete. Okay. Now let me see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna take this one here. I'm gonna take this one out. Let me see if it's gonna take it. Yes. It's good now. Now let me start it. My car is started. Beautiful. So what you need to do is you're gonna read the high tag. Choose number 9. It will be the file complete. Then you're gonna click next and you write that information into key number 9. It's done. Now I'm gonna go back and see what key is there. You see here, key number 9, enable. See it? Beautiful. So we have it done. Everything is okay. I'm gonna use this, choose this the key code, which is 15800. The next step is when you come into now I'm gonna go back and upgrade the cast, because if you don't do that you may wind up in maybe some stuff will not work. So I'm gonna turn the car off. I have to be sure they work. Let me close the door. Yeah, it's work. Let me close the door now to see it's still working. Okay. Lock. Unlock. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna push this button here, take the small key out. I have the key code already written inside, and I will cut that key, and then everything will be okay. I don't have anything to say more than this. Now I'm gonna do you want to downgrade or upgrade the cast frame? He asks you that. If you want to, this is used to downgrade the this function is used to downgrade the frame. You will be able to read VIN and all this stuff. If you want to restore, you push this one. You're going to restore it into the first one. As long as it's working, I'm not going to do anything. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diary. Please share, subscribe, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Idris. See you in another video.